Hello and welcome to Polish Teach English channel. Most of us watching this video are girls, and each of us has a cosmetic bag with everything we need in our bag. And each of us wants the cosmetic bag to be beautiful, functional, and unique, just like ourselves. And today we're sewing a great gift for any woman. Now pause, check if you are subscribed to the channel, and be sure to hit the bell icon to be notified of my new videos. I have pieces of heavy upholstery fabrics, samples from the furniture shop, a pig thin linen fabric and a white zipper. We are preparing a pattern. Usually the cosmetic bags are made in size A5, half a writing sheet 15 by 20 centimeters. We draw the shape of our cosmetic bag. Let's cut out this detail. As you can imagine, I don't have a lot of red fabric. We lay out the patterns. We cut out the part of the back side as a whole, and the front part will be made up of two parts. To do this, cut the pattern. Let's make seam allowances. We will cut out exactly the same details from the pig lining fabric. Then glue the prepared blanks with interlining so that the piece keeps its shape better. Determine the place where the zipper is sewn in. We apply it to the desired part face to face, and on top the lining part. We sew with a needle and thread. And then we will lay a line on a sewing machine. We will also sew the second part of the front side to the zipper. When working with a sewing machine, firstly, change the foot to a special foot for sewing on a zipper. Stitch the seams from the front side. In order for the zipper pull not to interfere, when we have finished sewing it, we lower the needle, raise the foot and move the zipper pull. Then close the zipper. The bag we're sewing today is so easy to make that even the very beginners can sew it effortlessly. Remember that the laziness is a subconscious wisdom. After the zipper has been sewn in, we check how it works. Then we take all the remaining parts and connect them with a needle and thread. The fact is that these fabrics are with fine pile. They are slippery and difficult to sew. Therefore, let's not be lazy, we will connect everything with manual stitching. And then we trim the edges and cut off the protruding fabrics and the edges of the zipper. We have a thick mix of fabrics. We process open sections with a strip of knitwear. We have a very complex, curved shape. Determine the width of the finishing tape yourself. It all depends on the thickness of your fabrics. I made the width of the inlay 4 centimeters. Sew the binding on a sewing machine. Sewing must be done carefully, without hurry, without pulling the knitwear. The jersey strip stretches very much, so do not pull on it. On the other hand, it is better to fasten the binding by hand, with a needle and thread. We make the seam hidden, invisible. Alright, take a look at the finished piece. The cosmetic bag turned out to be just a miracle. Such a sweet smile with white teeth. And very spacious. It can easily fit the necessary ladies' little things that we carry with us to be fully armed. Lipstick, foundation, mascara, pencils, powder, nail polish, perfume, and many more. Oh, what women do not carry with them. While a man's business is easier. He washed, combed his hair, and is already handsome. So, my dear viewers, I wish that your cosmetic bag serves you well. Conquer the world with your smile and good mood. Kisses! Subscribe to the channel and write comments. See you in the next video.